Hello guys, today we will learn how to process your order. So after you received your first order, so how you are going to process it and what is the next step after processing the order. So first we will learn how to process the order. So for that, come to Amazon Seller Central homepage, click on this three line order and click on manage order. So don't show this message again. Next, close. So here seller fulfilled, you will get two options. First one is easy ship and another one is self ship. So if you have activated your local shop, you will start receiving self ship order as well. So right now we are learning how to process your order in easy ship. So as you can see, there are three orders in easy ship. I will teach you how to process the order. So select a product which you want to process and then click on schedule pickup. So the first one is order detail, the name of the product, price and quantity. This is the order which we have received, this particular product for this price and the quantity is 1. Second one is package detail. So here we have to mention the weight of the product. If your product weight is 1 kg, then you can select 1000 grams. So here it is in grams. If your product is of 500 grams, then you can select 500 grams. Always remember, shipment charges in Amazon is divided in 500 grams. If your product is less than 500 grams, the shipping charges is different. If your product weight is more than 500 grams, then the shipping charges is different. Second is package dimension. So here you need to give 3 dimension: length of the product, breadth of the product and height of the product. So make sure it should be less than 2500. Yes, I think you are confused. So how 2500? So I will tell you. Open calculator. All the 3 dimensions which you enter, length, breadth and height, should be less than 2500. For example, I have written 23 length, width 27 and height 4. So here I will write 23 into 27 into 4, which is less than 2500. So even though your product weight is low but the dimension is big, so they will select according to product dimension. So for example, if you write here 5, that means if I go to the calculator again and if I mention 23 into 27 into 5, which is crossing 2500, now this product, maybe the weight of the product is less than 500 grams, but according to dimension, this product will be under 1 kg, because every 500 gram is equal to 2500 in dimensions. Every 500 gram is equal to 2500 in dimensions. So make sure you don't do your mistake over here also. And then click on get pickup slot. So in pickup day, Amazon will give you options. So right now it is 28 July and pickup time, Amazon usually gives you 2 timing. First one is morning time, that is 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and second one is 2 p.m. to 4:15. So you can select according to that. So according to this, Amazon will give you the shipping charges. So if for example, if I write here 5, so you can see the price is already increased in the shipping, right? Because it crossed 2500. Again, I will mention 4 here. Now it's in the back to regular pricing, which is 86.14, which is inclusive of GST. And then you need to click on, just a minute, select the pickup time. Okay, and then click on schedule pickup. Amazon will give you a shipping label and an invoice. Click on that. So after clicking on print, you will be able to see this shipping label. This is your shipping label. And if you scroll down, this is your invoice. So you need to stick this shipping label on your package and one invoice should be inside the package with the product. So make sure you take a printout of this both. It is not compulsory. You can print on A5 size as well. A4 size is not compulsory. A5 size would work. Okay. Or you can select A4 size as well. So this is the way you process your order on Amazon. So I wish you best of luck, that you grow your business as soon as possible and you reach your target within a year.